sci-fi standards implemented in BIOBASE, flagship autochemistry analyzer BK1200. Accurate. It uses high precision and high sensitivity sampling technology. Micro detection of samples is possible. The minimum sample detection volume is 50 microliter. High speed, 800 tests per hour. Optional electrolyte mode up to 1,200 tests per hour. Double storage system use high-speed DC motor. Ground. Double disk sample system, 150 sample positions. Double disk reagent system, 180 reagent positions. BIOBASE autochemistry analyzer BK1200 makes science fiction a reality.